So for this project I'm using the light brown color and dark green and 8mm crochet hook. To have all the details of the pattern, please look into the written pattern linked in the description box. This is medium worsted yarn, and the crochet hook is a bigger size, so it is easier and faster to work, but you can use from 5mm crochet hook up to 8, depending on your liking. We'll start right away. I'm gonna start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 65. Now on the 4th chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 2 double crochet. I'm gonna skip 2 and 3 double crochet in the next chain. I'm gonna skip 2 and again 3 double crochet in the next chain. I'm gonna repeat the same till the end of the row. Skip 2, 3 double crochet, skip 2, 3 double crochet till the end. And then I'll come back to show you how to proceed to the next row. Now, going on to the next row and changing color in the same time, I'm gonna put this yarn on the side. I'm gonna bring the new yarn, the loose extremity, with the other yarn. Insert, chain 3. Or you can chain 2 if you want. Both are correct. I'm gonna bring the yarn to secure it. You can make a knot if you wish. Oops. Or you can just secure it like this. Now what I'm gonna do, in every space I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. So 3 here, chain 2, next 3 double crochet in the next space. And I'm gonna continue in every space with 3 double crochet. Till the end of the row. So here I'm at the end of the row, and here I have the initial 3 double crochet. What I'm gonna do is a double crochet in the last stitch only. So 1 double crochet. So this row I started with chain 3, and I end it with a double crochet. The next row, what I'm gonna do, because I have the space here, which was from the space between the 3 double crochet and the last double crochet, I'm gonna make 2 double crochet together with a chain 2, which makes it also a cluster or 3 double crochet. And then the same, I will end the row with 3 double crochet because I have this space. So the rows will alternate. One row will be started with 3 double crochet when you have a space, and one row will start with a chain 3 chain 3 and then 3 double crochet in the following space, because here we'll have already 3 double crochet. I hope it's clear so far, but I'm gonna show you how it works. So again, 3 double crochet in every space. Very simple and straightforward pattern, nothing complicated. For the color chart, again, please look at the written pattern to know how to change color in every, and after how many rows each. And here I'm at the end of the row, and I'm gonna make 3 double crochet in the space. And again, starting the next row, I'm gonna chain 3. And like we said, this time when we have previously 3 double crochet, we work right away in the next space, so 3 double crochet. And I will continue my work the same way for total of 106 rows. I'll come back at the end to show you the end results and explain further. So this is how the shawl looks like at the end. It's, as I said, 106 rows. I have initially alternated one by one row green and camel color or beige color, and then I have done a number of rows with the green and camel. All these details you'll find in the written pattern, otherwise it'll take longer in the video. And this is the end result. Very easy, straightforward granny stripes with 2 colors. You can choose whichever colors you want, and this is it. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to look again at the written pattern. Until next time, take care, bye bye.